Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2023 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Black Sapphire Metallic with Black Sensafin Interior. Alright, so this is the 2023 BMW X6 xDrive40i. We do have the iconic kidney grilles glowing, so that's awesome. And I got a new phone, so we're starting to see some new potential camera upgrade. I don't know if it's actually any better or not, but it's cool because I can actually do these wider angles on this camera, which is nice. And even though we're in such a tight space, still got a lot of things going on here. So you can see tail lights on, and this super tight space here, welcome light carpet shines so far down to the back of the vehicle. That's so cool. But yeah, this car looks awesome, so I wanted to spend some time showing you that the 2023 X6 is awesome, but it hasn't really changed much. So let's take a deeper dive into all the details. Alright, so right off the bat we have the BMW LED headlights, which look really good. And when they're on, we've got the iconic kidney grille glowing when the lights are turned on. So you can actually have it only on startup, but I'd rather have it on just the whole time because it makes it look really awesome, especially at night. And we've got everything pretty well blacked out on this car, so that looks really good. We've got over here 22-inch double spoke 742 M wheels in black with the huge red M Sport brakes, so that looks really good. And we've got that interesting cutting line into the fender there. We've got black exterior side mirrors, black window surrounds, black roof rails, black everything. So this car is really blacked out. And at the back here we do have the freeform exhaust with a single tip inside. I love showing you guys these tail lights. They look so good on here. Just like that. xDrive40i badging, X6 badging, and since we're actually back here, we do have the ability to kick underneath this one to have this open. So I know that's a feature that's been missing on a lot of cars. This one does have it. We've got X6 cargo cover, so this can actually fold up like so you have easier access to your contents. We have 12-volt plug over here, grocery bag hang over here, and as you can see, it is illuminated in here, which is nice. We have some tie down areas all around as well. If I lift that up, we have wheel lock key, tow hook. Those are the replace bolts, and this cutout area here is so that you can actually remove this cargo cover, fold it up and put it underneath here. And lots of space here because we don't have a spare tire. Now if I put that back down, and just wanted to show you, there's a tire inflator kit in there. It's hard to see because it's dark, but it is in there. And at the top we have a button here that we can press to close, another one to close and lock, but I'm just going to kick my foot underneath because we can, and get that to shut the fancy way. Alright, so there's more of that welcome light carpet. We've got comfort access on all 4 door handles with lights on the door handles as well. If I open that up, so inside we've got the ambient blue lighting going on in here, so that looks really cool. And just wanted to show you, we've got these rear sunshades on the back windows, and we have a release lever here on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60/40 split. There's also a pass-through in the center that can only be revealed once we put this armrest down. So there's the string for the pass-through, and in the armrest we've got some storage space, we've got some cup holders, and we've also got some pockets on the back of each front seat. We have some vents on the back of the center console, rear climate controls with heated seats in the 2 outer positions, and we've got some storage space, and we've got some vents underneath the front seats as well. But really nice back here, I like it. Let's go take a look at the front area. Alright, so let's open up that door here. So we do have an illuminated M door sill. We've got some ambient lighting on the door. We have interior carbon fiber trim, which looks really good. Power seat with side bolster. So these are the perforated Sensafin seats. And across the dash, we have that beautiful carbon fiber with the ambient light strips. If I open this up, that's what it looks like inside our glove box. And we have iDrive 7 with a head-up display, M Sport steering wheel. So we'll go take a closer look at that on the other side there. Let me just open this part up. So we've got a little communication pad there, USB 12-volt plug, cup holders, a bit of storage space, and then we've got everything that we normally see in the center here. Now if I press this, opens up, and we've got USB Type-C in there. And just wanted to let you know that this armrest and the armrest that's on the door are heated with the heated seats, so that's pretty awesome. Let's go take a look at the driver's side. Alright, so let's open up the driver door, and inside, so this car was just tinted, so there's a little sticker there saying not to put the windows down. But if I lift that sticker up, we've got a button here that makes it so only the driver can control the windows. All 4 window controls. We have side mirror controls, we have unlock, lock, door handle, memory buttons, and then tailgate open, tailgate close. Tailgate will only close if the key is present inside the car. Interesting style door handle there for the X6 compared to the X5. M door sill down there, illuminated, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster support. We've got your exterior lighting controls, we've got more ambient lighting, and there is Live Cockpit Professional with the M Sport steering wheel. So this one does have just regular cruise control. We've got some audio controls on the other side, but let's go pop the hood and see what's underneath. So let me pull that once, pull it twice. So 2-pull system, which then alleviates you from having to find anything underneath this portion. We just simply lift it up. So once that's open, so there it is, the B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo. So in the X6, this is with 335 horsepower, 331 foot-pounds of torque. So it is not the M Performance B58, but nonetheless, great engine, more than enough power, and provides great fuel economy for the amount of power that this vehicle can output. We have your positive battery terminal here, which I'll just put the cap back on. We have your negative battery terminal, which is right over here. And this is your washer fluid. Make sure you don't put Rain-X in there. Overall, this car looks awesome. Alright, so before we conclude this video, I just wanted to do one more full walk around the vehicle to try and show off all the body lines on this beautiful car, as well as showing off the new wider 4K camera angle that I'm able to do on this new phone, which is pretty cool. Overall, I really like the design of this car. It was kind of like the first car of this design, and has been duplicated ever since. So this is the Sports Activity Coupe shape. Yeah, it looks awesome. I love it. I love everything about how this vehicle looks. It is very, very sporty, very aggressive, and it's got very bulky sculpted lines on it. It looks really good. You guys let me know what you think. And let's do a little remote engine start, cold start. So sounds pretty good. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2023 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Black Sapphire Metallic. This car is all blacked out. I love that it's blacked out with red calipers. That always looks good. If you like the car, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.